Welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to show you a payslip generator web application where your employee can select a month and enter their employee ID. And when they enter their employee ID and click on this send OTP, so a OTP will be sent it to the employee email address. So the employee will check their email and copy the OTP which is received by their email ID and paste it here and click on this verify and view payslip. And when he verify and view payslip, you can see it's verified, and now they can easily able to see their payslip and also can make a print which is compatible with A4 paper size. So this is a secure method to deliver a pay slip to your employees. No one can access easily. They must need a Gmail OTP to verify. And this pay slip generator is completely made by using the Google Sheet as a database and Google Web App script. So the question is that how we can add the more month here. Like this is only January and we want February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So how we can add them? Just go to your Google Sheet and click on this duplicate and make it Feb. Okay, and again make it duplicate and make it March. Okay, and make it March. Okay, now fine, now we have added the three remaining. You can do it yourself. So this is a employee 10 and this is the email ID and their data, and you will see this is a employee 10. Let me check it out. Is it really working or not? We just need to refresh our web application, and below you need to see here it will be the loading sheets. Select a sheet March, enter the employee ID and click on this send OTP. So when I click on this send OTP, you can see OTP is sent it out successfully. So for video purposes, I use the same Gmail address for all the employees, and here I will enter the OTP and click on this verify and view payslip. So when I click on this verify and view payslip is successfully being verified. This is a issue date automatically today come, and this is a document number and everything. You can see all the data comes accurately in this payslip web application. So the source code of this particular payslip is available in the description. You can go and check it out and implement in your institution and implement in your school, so you can easily work out them. Thank you very much.